So the PCV is ready now. So I'll switch off the hematocrit flashlight and then open it. So I need to wait for this cover so that I can bring out the PCVs. So this is the one we placed on number 1. This is the one number 6. To read this PCV or just date. So this is the sample 1 and number 1. So what you need to do is, on this hematocrit reader, there are 3 different lines. This lower line here, this upper line, and this middle line. Remember, I didn't say the lower line, middle line, and upper. I said the middle, the lower, the upper one, and then the middle one. So it is this middle one that you will use to read your PCV. But you have to set the capillary tube on the hematocrit reader with the lower line and then this upper line. So place the hematocrit reader on the table, put the capillary tube, and then set the lower part of the red blood cell on this lower line. So that's what I'm doing now to ensure that the lower part of this red blood cell, this is the red blood cell, and this is the plasma. We have the buffy coat in the middle. So the lower part of the red blood cell will be on this lower line. And then I'll make sure that the upper parts, of the plasma is on this upper line. So that's what I want to do now. You can see me moving it. So I have the lower one on the lower part of red cell on the lower line, the upper part of the plasma on the upper line. Now I'll go to the middle line and use this to set it. Now I've set that. I'll now trace it. Where is it? We have 0, 10, 20, 30. This is 30%. 35% is this longer line. Then 40% is here. So you can see that it is on 33%. So the reading for this sample 1 is 33%, and that's how to read. So ensure that you align the lower part of the red cell on the lower line, the upper part of the plasma on the upper line, and then the middle one is what you will use to read your PCV. So now let's read the sample 2. So I have this, the same thing. I'll look at the lower parts of the red blood cell should be on the lower line. Then I'm setting the upper part of the plasma on this upper line. And then you now use this to trace it, to be able to read it. So now what I have for this one, the reading of this one is 20%. 20%. So that is how to read PCV. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. I will answer your question there. Thank you. Bye.